Water. It is essential to our lives and to our ecology. For many decades, Breitenbush Hot Springs supplied the water to your cabins and the bathhouses and the showers through underground pathways that had been built decades back. These were lost in the fires of September 2020. We spent the better part of last winter digging the trenches and laying the pipes for this plumbing to resume, because we are dedicated. We are dedicated to rising from the ashes like a phoenix, and to once again spreading our wings to welcome you back to Breitenbush Hot Springs. We are open now 7 days a week, and we want to provide hard housing for you by the time October gets here. So please join us in seeing this vision from where we are now to where we want to go. Many guests have sent their appreciation to us over the years. One guest said this about her recent visit: "In every visit, I feel a calming energy that permeates through every part of my life after returning to the world. A reconnection with nature and the divine energy it holds. A renewal of my oneness with the world." Our oneness with the world permeates every part of who we are. Even when we're working this hard at Breitenbush Hot Springs, we know it is on behalf of that internal sense of our oneness, our unity in diversity, in equity, in inclusivity. We are here for you to come retreat, to restore, but we need your help in doing this. Our donations are supported by matching fund investors. Every donation is matched, so your donation is worth double. Thank you to the Westing Family Foundation for your very generous matching fund investment. Please join us in rising from the ashes. Your donations make a significant contribution not only to our outcomes today, but to our outcomes for the future generations to come. Thank you so much for supporting us. We look forward to seeing you back on the land. Namaste.